Hello everybody, welcome back to another video with Lim Reviews. Now this is going to be my first video of 2022, and today's video is actually quite special, although I can't really give you a lot of details. Now this video here is going to be an unboxing or a quick look of the latest vivo V23 that you see right here. And I have two very interesting colors with me here today. Based on my personal opinion, I think the vivo V23 right here is actually one of the most best designed Vivo device ever to land on the planet. So this is going to be a very interesting one here. You're going to want to stick for this video. So of course you can see here that I've unboxed this black version, but I have reserved the golden version here to be unboxed on the channel right now. So let's go and check out what's in the box. Let me just get a very quick knife on the table right here, which you can't actually see. And yes, as you can see here on the box itself, it has all this like glitter going on, and that's because the phone itself also has this glittery kind of a back panel. So let's see what actually came in the box here. Very quickly, we're going to unbox it, and immediately, here we go. You can see the device itself. This is the golden version. I'm going to take out the device first and put it on my desk so we can see what else actually came inside here. Yes, we also have the very traditional transparent silicone case here, and as you can see, it is flat sides all around. A very, very good looking device. Stay on for that. We also have a charger in the box here. We also have a wired headset. We also have the pin in the box, a Type-C cable, and of course, because it doesn't come with a headphone jack, we actually have this headphone jack to Type-C converter. Alright, now that we've got that out of the way, let us see this device. So as you can see right now, it looks amazing here. We have this really awesome gold color that actually shifts from side to side. It goes to blue in one angle, and if you tilt it, it goes to gold. So let's check out the gold device here. We're gonna just slide it very quickly, and there you go, guys. This is the vivo V23 5G. So on first impressions, I must say that this device here looks amazingly good. We have these flat sides all around here that reminds me of a certain phone. I'm sure you guys can guess it. And on the sides here, this side panel is actually in chrome gold that is actually having a mirror kind of finish. So like I said just now, I have the black version over here as well. Now the black version is actually a matte black on the sides, whereas it is a chrome gold on the sides of this golden version. Now let's take a look at a quick one at the back here. Just side by side, you can see how different they really are. For the black version, it does come with a sort of a glittery kind of a back panel over here. It is very smooth to the touch. It kind of reminds me of the X70 Vivo that was just released like I think a few months back. So this is the kind of back panel that we have here. It's fully blacked out and it's very nice. One thing you might notice here, a very cool detail, is that the camera section right here is elevated just so slightly, so you do not actually have a huge camera on the back. It looks great actually, very, very nice here. One more thing that I should also point out here is that we also have this very smooth kind of texture on the camera cutout itself, so it's also very nice. It blends very well into the overall design. Again, let me just reiterate that we have flat sides all around, and yes, you can let it stand on the table, and yeah, it just looks amazing. So one thing about this gold version right here that I heard is that according to Vivo, you can actually shift the colors when it hits the UV. So when you put this phone outside under the sun, which we do not have that much here in Malaysia, it's always raining, this back panel will actually shift to a lighter blue tone, which you can actually see on the back right here. Just trying to get it in the frame. Yeah, this is the color that it will stick on when it is under UV lights, and if you bring it back to the room, it will go back to this golden shade. So you are seeing the shift here right now, but actually if you put the device outdoors for long enough, it might actually shift to just permanently blue, and then bring it back into the room without the UV, and it will revert back to this golden shade. So very cool stuff here. Moving on to the front, I should also show you that we have very minimal bezels on the front right here. At the top here, we do have a dual camera cutout, which is actually right in the middle. I think that looks actually quite alright. And we do have very slim bezels on both the left and right. They are symmetrical. Top and bottom wise, the bezel is just slightly thicker, but it is overall a very thin bezel over here. And I think just again, in terms of design, the vivo V23 here, hands down, for me, is the best looking Vivo device to date. Alright, so this is all I can show you guys. Of course, the review will be up in about 1 to 2 weeks. I'll share more information about the processor and everything. Again, I'm very sorry because I'm not allowed to share those information with you yet. I can only show you guys how this looks. So stay tuned for the full review, and thank you all for staying to the end of today's video. You guys just watched literally the designs of this phone. So yeah, thank you so much for that. Alright guys, I hope you have a great 2022. Don't forget to like the video if you like this video, and of course if you want to see more content like this, sub to the channel. It'd be great to see all of you guys once again. Thank you everybody, and stay safe. See ya. Bye.